In this video, we are going to see about the dashboards, how we can create dashboards in Power BI Pro, and then we will explore my workspaces more in detail, and we will see some of the more options available with the my workspace. So let's try to see first what is dashboard. Basically, dashboard is one kind of thing where we can present our data in a more high level, or maybe at a summary level. We can say a report is basically a detail level of the data. Means that means dashboards we can show up to the executive peoples or managers where they wanted to see important data at the higher level. So that is one thing which is, and if they wanted to go in deep detail, then we can have the report view where we can show the report. So that is one thing. If this is a my workspace which is showing something about the report, and then data set and dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You can see it here in this. There are like options available here where dashboard. So this dashboard is automatically created when we imported our Power BI desktop application. So this is the one which is already there, and if you open that, then it will open the complete application. But how we can create for our own, like suppose we do have this report which is we already created. To create a dashboard, we just need to click on this visual, any of the visuals, and then there is an option which is pin visual. Just click on this pin visual, and now we get an option to add this chart or visual to existing dashboard or to the new dashboard. So existing dashboard, we do have this one which is automatically created, but now we are going to create a new one, which is we will just give some dashboard and click on pin. Once you click on this pin, it is pinned to dashboard. You can see that you can create a mobile layout as well, but for now I'm just clicking on this, and we can just go to our dashboards where you can see we have this in dashboards created, and we can just click on here, and you can see this is something which is got created. So this is the dashboard. We can do some other things as well on this, which is you can we can pin this as well. Again, means just a pin visual to now existing dashboard. We can say just pin this, and now we can go to the dashboard, and you can see this is also created. Now this is the dashboard how we can create in Power BI, and there are options which are available here with this, which we can see as we can set as featured. That means it will be added as a favorite. Open lineage view is something which is, yeah, we can go through this open lineage view, and we can see there are options available. Means how this dashboard is created. Now we can see uh, first it will show the data sources from where it came. Then we have this data set which is got created, and you can, if you just click on this, you can see various tables involved in like dim region, dim fact, and fact population, and how many tables are there, so that it will show up here. Then we have this reports created, which is again we can open it from here as well. And then finally we have these dashboards which are created. First one is automatically created, and the second one is which we have created. So this is something which is we can do with this dashboards. There are other options as well. We can file we can save copy, print page. There are some permissions which we can do. We can share, we can comment out, we can subscribe, and we do have some options which are available here, which is a dashboard theme. Or we can add a title here as well. Let's say, means if you wanted to add a title for this, we can add a image. Wanted to add a text box, then we can do that. If you can just say mention this is a test dashboard. Subtitle, if you wanted to give, you can give it, and you can just apply. So you can see this is this title is created here. The next thing is a dashboard theme. So this is something which is, again, it will have this light or dark or colorblind friendly custom. So we can mention it as a dark or maybe custom. If you wanted to customize our theme, then we can customize it: background color, tile background, tile front color, tile opacity. So this is something which we can do. There is an upload JSON theme as well. Means we will see how to do that, because this is something which is we can do with some JSON functionality, and maybe specifying some color details in the JSON file, and then we can upload the JSON. This is something which is we can do. So this is how it looks like when the theme has been changed. Then there is a mobile layout as well, where we can go back to this mobile layout, how it looks like, and basically how we wanted to show up on the mobile. That is what we wanted. We can do it. If you just wanted to change this for like this, we can do it. Just drag it, and then we can see the title as appearing on here as well, and we can switch back to the web layout. So this is about dashboards, how we can create multiple dashboards. So this is the way dashboards have been created, and suppose someone wanted to do check in detail, they can go to this click on this, and then you can go back to this visualizations in more detail. Now going back to our workspace, now we can see we can have these dashboards created here, and we do have options available here like new report, new pagination report, dashboards. From here also we can do this. We can upload some files as well here. However, there is some more option which is available about the lineage view, and which is, I think, we can see here data sources, then project templates. So whenever we click on this, you can see how many tables are involved in the data. So it's when we say report, we can open the report from here as well. We have the dashboards as well, we can open the dashboard from here as well. So this is something which is we can do with this, and this is all we can do to create a dashboard in Power BI Pro, and that's what I wanted to share in this video. Next video we will see more detail about this, and if you have any questions or comments, please do let me know. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.